Okay, everybody, number 7 asks 2 to the x plus 3 equals 5 to the x. What's the first thing you notice about this? What pops out at you first when you do this one? What's first? Left and right. So there's two exponents. What else jumps out at you as being slightly annoying? What'd you say, Albert?
There's no possible way they'll have to be.
Well, yeah, 2, it's not easy to write 2 as a multiple of 5.
Yeah.
2 and 5 are not multiples of each other, right? They're not powers of each other. So what's the only thing you can do at this point? There's only one thing you can do. Put it in log form. Put it in log form. So let's use 2 as our base. So it's going to be log base 2 of something equals something else. It's 2 to the what power? No, it is 2 to the what power? X plus 3, and what does it equal? 5 to the x. So that's now in log form. What can we do with the exponent now? What's the cool thing we can do with this exponent now? You can bring it in, well, not in front of the x, in front. So you have x log base 2 of 5 equals x plus 3. What should you do to both sides now? No subtraction. What are you trying to isolate? So you need to get all the x's on one side. So what should you do right now? Divide by x. So you have log base 2 of 5 equals x plus 3 over. What is log base 2 of 5? That's just a number. Can you use your calculator to find it? Yes. Do that right now and tell me what it is. 3 decimal places. What is it? 2 point what? Okay, kids, everybody stop talking completely. Yep, we did this a lot of times. So this is log 5 divided by log 2. So what does that equal to? 2.322. Good, thank you, Zoe. You had it right. So this is equal to x plus 3 over x. What do I multiply both sides by now? What do I multiply both sides by now? X. 2.322x is equal to x plus 3. What do I subtract from both sides? No. Just subtract x. 1.322x is equal to 3. Now what do I divide both sides by? And that's your answer right there. Mind blown. Okay.
Put it behind the ln.
No, you can't. Not yet. What can you do with the power?
Put the x in front of the ln.
Not just the x.
The 3x?
Yep. So that's 3x ln e equals 9. Now, Milo, what is ln e? Yes, so this is 3x times 1 is equal to 9. What do I divide both sides by?
Wait, what? How did you get to the 3x? How did you get to the 3x?
Log base a of a is always equal to 1. So what's log base e of e? 1. What is ln? That's log base e of e. What is log base e of e? 1. So you have 3x equals 9. So what does x equal? What? 3. Yep, all done. What does subtraction mean?
Division.
So you can write this as log base 5 of 3t plus 2 over what? T. Exactly. You can't cross it out. You just know that if this is true, what's next? Don't cross it. You just know if that's true, what has to be true.
3t plus 2 equals 4.
3t plus 2 over t equals 4,
Why
right?
Is that though?
Because if log of a equals log of b, then a equals b. So what do you do now?
Multiply by t.
So you have 3t plus 2 is equal to 4t. So 2 is equal to t. All done.
Look how fun that is.
It is fun. The first one we just did, right? What's the thing that stands out?
The exponents.
Again, this is exactly the same as the first one. What was the thing that made the first one harder? They're not the same base and they're not powers of each other. 2 is not a good power of 3, right? And 3 is not a good power of 2. So what do you have to do at this point? It's exactly the same work. Put it in the log form. So let's use base 2 right here. So it's going to be log base 2 of something equals something else. So what goes? It's 2 to the what power?
3x minus 4.
Nope. X plus 3. And then what does it equal?
Oh, that's right.
What does it equal? 3 to the x minus 4. What do you now bring to the front? You bring the x minus 4. So you have x minus 4 in parentheses, log base 2 of 3 equals x plus 3. At this point, what should you find the value of?
Log 2.
Log base 2 of 3. So do that for me. You get x minus 4 is equal to something x plus 3. Can someone tell me what this is right here?
0.6309.
0.6.
That's what I said.
What'd you say? Can you say it again?
0.6309.
Wow, you guys, I need to do this again. Mar, just speak. Go.
I said 0.6309.
0.6309, like that?
Yeah.
That is not correct.
Log 2.
It's log 3
Oh.
over log 2 is equal to what is it, Summer?
585.
Yep. So now, here's the thing. Now right there, that's just algebra right there. You distribute and solve. I'm not going to finish it. You just distribute and solve that one. All you do is distribute and solve.
Log base 10 of 3 minus,
Divided by log 2. Just do log 3 divided by log 2. Check your parentheses. I can check it later. Was log base 2 of the square root of 8 is equal to x. So what's your first step? What should you do first? Connor.
Wait, that's just number 1?
Yes, what should you do first?
I made it to the other form.
Exponential form. So it's 2 to the
Where?
square root of 8. You got it. It's all good. What is 8? Someone tell me what 8 is. What is 8? 2 to the third. So that's 2 to the x equals the square root of 2 to the third. What is square root? What power is square root? So this is 2 to the x equals 2 to the third to the... What do you do with powers of powers? So you have 2 to the x equals 2 to the 3/2. So what does x equal? Done.
I did the other way.
I usually take like half a
squared
point.
the-
There's lots of different ways to do it wrong, but I'm showing you the right way so that tomorrow you can crush these.
No, but I did it right.
Yes. The only answer to this is 3 over 2. Yes. The next one you have 2 logs. Luckily they have the same base or you guys would be totally confused. Log base 2 of x plus log base 2 of x plus 15 equals, yeah, I have not taught you how to deal with it when there's more than one base for the logs. What do you do with that plus sign?
You make it a
Trying to multiply.
Yeah, log base 2 of x times x plus 15 equals log base 2 of 16. So what do you know is true? If that's true, what else has to be true? Equals what? Kids, can you not talk in the back, please? Good. What do you do with that right there, Nick? What's next?
Distribute.
So x squared plus 15x is equal to 16.
Then you
So x
subtract
squared plus 15x minus 16 is 0.
Ah,
And then you have
the other way.
x plus 16 times x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to negative 16 or 1. But then what do you have to do at the end? What should you always check? Can you plug this in? No, because log of negative 16 is frowny face. So what's the only answer? 1.